Okay, the favourite thing for me is probably a really cliche answer. Number one is the people. We have a really great team. We're across 3 global locations and we're very culturally diverse. We also are very supportive of one another. Secondly, I think flexibility is my number 2. So as a full-time working mum, that's really helpful for me to have that really good work-life balance.
We've got a lot of work coming up for our team in the pipeline. We've got a lot of client engagements. Our pre-sales teams are out there trying to get more work for us, and also we've got some regulatory changes coming through from the ASX with their CHESS messaging software. So we're replacing that.
The upcoming CHESS project is the big project that we're working on at the moment. So the ASX are replacing their CHESS system, which is a system that they use to settle financial transactions on the ASX. So this is a huge opportunity for GBST, and we're really committed to ensure that our applications support the new CHESS.